So this is clearly not the minivan. I'm in the Tampa Bay area and my godmother has a place here that she's letting me crash at for a few days. Yay! I love the minivan, but it's always nice to take a break, and honestly the thing I miss most about not living in it is a nice kitchen setup. Being able to wash dishes easily. Oh my goodness. I'm still keeping up with my goal of making one new recipe a week for the whole year, and since I have access to an oven, I'm making roasted bell peppers. And they're finished. This is what they look like. People also usually top this with cheese. I just forgot to buy it. I'm happy with that. Now that I've given myself a few days of editing and doing absolutely nothing, let's go do some sightseeing. If you're into art or Dali in general, the Salvador Dali Museum is here in St. Petersburg, and on Thursdays after 5 p.m. there is a half price discount, so instead of paying $28 it is $14, and also it is the museum's birthday today. Leaving the Tampa Bay area today, leaving, Clearwater, Tampa, St. Petersburg. And since that's happening, I just dropped off my godmother's keys, so I am back in the minivan and not sleeping in a temperature-controlled apartment anymore. I'm ready. I love being in the minivan, honestly. It is so cozy. Oh my gosh, what is this bird? But before I head out, I'm gonna check out some last few things in St. Petersburg. Or just lounge around and go swimming, but it's not really happening yet. I think the whole US is experiencing a sort of cold front right now. Like, it doesn't matter where you go. It's even like chilly in Southern California, Texas. But regardless, I do like being by the ocean. There's just like an energy about it. So let's talk about tolls real quick. So I'm heading further south and I will be paying my first toll on this road trip so far. I've been getting away with it pretty well. When you go on Google Maps and put your, destination in, you can go to the 3 dots up here and then options and then click avoid tolls at the top, like toggle that on. And that's just like automatically on. Whenever I put my directions in, it just like automatically says avoiding tolls, and it's just, my Google Maps is like, okay, this girl does not want to pay tolls. So to get across the Tampa Bay, if I don't want to pay tolls, it would take me, first of all, an hour and 30 minutes or 81 miles. Now, if I'm like, okay, let's pay this toll, 37 minutes, 26 miles. That's 60 miles. Normally it's not like that. The reason why I can avoid tolls so easily is because, it just adds on a few miles or a few minutes onto my total driving time. But in this case, it would add on a lot, and it's just more worth it to pay this toll than to spend all the extra time and gas driving. So yeah, let's go pay this toll. But yeah, really good hack if you don't want to be paying tolls. friend's calling. Caitlin!
Are you busy?
No, I'm driving. It's perfect. I'm actually filming right now. You can say hello.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm sorry to give you all these ones, but I'm waiting on change.
Oh, no worries.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too. Easy. And that is all for today's video. I will see you guys next week. Bye.